Today in class 10 biology, we will start with the osmosis. That process of movement of solvent molecules across a semi-permeable membrane from a dilute solution, that is low solute concentration by high solvent concentration, to a concentrated solution. That is high solute concentration but low concentration is called osmosis. That means actually in osmosis, always from a dilute solution of low concentration by high solvent concentration to a concentrated solution, low to high. It is of two types, that is one is endosmosis, another is exosmosis. Endo means the inward movement of solvent molecules from surrounding solution across the plasma membrane into cell is called endosmosis, and takes place when the surrounding solution is less concentrated, more solvent molecules actually compared to the cell interior, that is less solvent molecule, like endosmosis causes of swelling of cell. In case of exosmosis, second type, that is the outward movement of solvent molecule from the cell across the plasma membrane and into the surrounding solution is called exosmosis. It takes place when the surrounding solution is more concentrated than compared to the cell interior. That is the exosmosis, cell to shrink. Does osmosis continue indefinitely? Actually, no. Osmosis always will continue till concentration of solution on either side of the membrane become equal. If we see osmotic pressure, that is the minimum amount of pressure that must be exerted to prevent the osmosis of a pure solvent into a solution when they are separated by a semi-permeable membrane, is called osmotic pressure. If osmotic potential I am asking, that is the measure of tendency of water of solvent molecule to a solution to diffuse out of it into a hypertonic solution, that is called osmotic potential. That means osmotic pressure means minimum amount of pressure that must be exerted to prevent the osmosis of pure solvent into a solution, whereas osmotic potential means measure of the tendency of water or solvent molecule of a solution to diffuse out of it into a hypertonic solution, that is called osmotic potential. If we ask what do you mean by tonicity of a solution, that means the property of solution that determines the direction and the extent of diffusion of molecules in a solution is called tonicity of that particular solution. That means it is dependent on the relative concentration of the solution that are undergoing the process of diffusion. So actually if we see that it is of three types according to the solution. First one is hypertonic, that is solution with higher solute concentration as compared to the reference solution. Cell is said to be hypertonic medium when solution of outside of cell is a higher concentration of the solute, that is cell interior. And the solution hypertonic means exosmosis occur. Hypotonic means solution with lower concentration, solute concentration as compared to the reference solution. A cell is said to be hypotonic medium when solution outside cell is has a lower solute concentration, that is hypotonic with respect to the cell, that is endosmosis occur. Isotonic means actually solution with similar solute concentration as compared to the reference solution, and cell 2 is said to be isotonic means when cell has same solute concentration as the cell interior, and the solution of the cell, that is isotonic. No net osmosis occurs here. So if we see what are the significance means it one of the process that absorbed by contact water, cell to cell movement of water. Second, it helps to maintain the turgidity of the plant cell. Osmosis water guard cell help to regulate opening and closing of stomata. Fourth, the movement of plant part is brought about by change of state of turgidity of the plant cell. If you ask about what do you mean by reverse osmosis, means water treatment method through which the pure water is obtained from an impure solution forced through a semi-permeable membrane is called the reverse osmosis. Salt and impurities cannot pass through the membrane, thus allowing only pure water to pass through it. This is called the reverse osmosis. So today up to that.